It is early Tuesday morning, and I can't recall ever doing any videoing in my workshop this early before. But you know, there's nothing much left to do here. At least, there's nothing much left that I'm going to do. I am done here. I am so done. You'll notice I had to add to the weight here. I didn't weigh it, but I'm guessing it probably now weighs about 40 pounds. Now this thing wants to run. So I put a shoelace on here just to keep it from oscillating. And last night, if I had have kept at it for another half an hour or so, we probably would have been where we are right now. But I just didn't know what I was going to run into, and it was getting on in the day. I'm gonna go and get my stopwatch and just time it here. It should take 30 seconds, exactly 30 seconds, for it to make one complete oscillation. And an oscillation is all the way over, all the way back, and then back to the same place again. And that should be 30 seconds. Okay, we'll do this one as it passes right here. Okay, we're coming up on the mark. Okay, it is 29.65 seconds. So in other words, if I push the buttons right, it's running a little fast, which means to slow it down, I would take these weights and move them out a little bit. Very little, maybe just a 64th of an inch. And then time it again. But you know, it's not important because it doesn't have to tell time. But it's pretty close. And this is actually the first time I've checked it since I've set it up here. Last time I checked it was what, 4 months ago when it was sitting on the table saw. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got a bit of a chapter ring around the top there. I've only got 2 hours from 11 through to 1. If I put a stick or something from here up into the numbers, then you could actually see it slowly moving. It would be the hour hand. There is no minute hand on this movement. It would just have an hour hand. Anyway, I'll take the camera off the tripod and move it in and show you the gear train. And that's pretty much it. It's up and running. I'm done. And I'm happy. Well, I know that I didn't finish it off quite the way I originally had planned several months ago. I was going to paint the frame, stain the gears, have it upstairs in the living room, but that was months ago. I am so done with this right now. Can't think of a whole lot to add here. It's running. It's keeping time. I don't know how long it would run before something broke. It's got a few little weak spots, but you know what? It doesn't have to run until it breaks. It just had to run so that I knew that it would work, and that's what it's doing. Like I say, I don't know what else to say here except thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me for half a year. We'll see you in the next series. It'll probably be a long one, but I plan on breaking it up. And like I mentioned before, I want to build another model ship. Thanks for watching.